Welcome back to my channel Shweta Galaxy Learning. In my last video, you have gone through some important chemical equations from the first chapter, that is a chemical reaction and equations. So I'm going to continue the next one. The thermal decomposition of calcium carbonate. So calcium carbonate formula is CaCO3, which is in the solid form, and after decomposition it forms as CaO, calcium oxide, plus CO2 in the form of gas. The copper oxidation, that is a copper which is mixed with the oxygen which is present in the air in the form of gas, and to get the copper oxide. Then iron displacing copper, iron which displaces the copper, that is Fe is the iron which is to be mixed with the copper sulfate in the aqueous solution. As you know, what is an aqueous solution? It is completely dissolved in the water, and the product you will get is in the form of FeSO4 plus Cu. Here FeSO4 is in the form of aqueous solutions, and your copper will get to this. And reduction of copper oxide. Copper oxide in the form of solid mixed with the hydrogen gas, and to get the product is that is copper plus water in the liquid form. So these are the remaining equations. Next one. So the one benefit is this from this equation. See here, you can see here. First one is a decomposition. Second one is the oxidation, displacing, reduction. So these are the equations you can go used as an giving example for explanation of decomposition, oxidation process, reduction process. Okay, when defining the particular oxidation definitions and reduction, you have to explain with an example. So these examples will help you in the explanation kind of questions. Okay, even in the balancing, it will help. Along with that, some examples kind of questions they will ask. For that time, it will helpful. The next one, electrolysis of water. So you know that electrolysis process of water that is in the liquid form, it is converted as gaseous form, that is the hydrogen and oxygen. And the respiration process, you have gone through it already, which is a photosynthesis process and all. So what will happen is C6H12O6 in the aqueous solutions, which is mixed with the oxygen which is present in the air to get the CO2 as well as H2O and release the energy. And next is refining of silver. The copper which is to be refined with AgNO3, that is the silver nitrate which is present in aqueous form, and to get the product as in the form of copper nitrate in aqueous form as well as Ag. You can refine the silver, okay, from the silver nitrate. So these are the some important chemical equations present in the first chapter, chemical reactions and equations. Please go through it. These all equations are very important, and this is to be used in can give it as some examples explanation, as well as it can be used for balancing the things. Okay, so for everything they'll ask you. So please write all the equations in one page and keep it or in a one stick in one wall. Okay, so that you can easily go through the everyday, because these are not kind of by the things, it is understandable. Okay, so you should know what are the compounds, it is to be present in the which form, and what are the products you will get from the reactants. What is the whatever present in the LHS, it is a reactants, and whatever present in the RHS, they are the products. Okay, so please subscribe my channel, and if you can ask any kind of questions like science and maths related from the 10th standard state syllabus. So I'm going to teach you in my further video about how to write the answers and what are the points should be covered in the particular question. So I will take some questions and I will write the answers in the point wise, so that same replica you can do in the exams to get the good marks out of what marks. Don't write the answers in the like a paragraph wise. Okay, how to write the I'm going to tell you how to write the answers in the point wise, what are the points you have to highlight while writing the exams. So those are things are some tricks are very important to get the good marks. Okay, thank you so much.